Telegram account without number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can get Telegram account without number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, getting a Telegram account without number is actually quite simple, but if I open up Telegram here, right off the bat, the very first thing it asks me to do is to simply enter my phone number, which bottom line means that I can't use Telegram without a phone number. But in the case that you don't own a real phone number, because maybe you're underage and you don't have a real phone number, in that case you can still use a virtual phone number to use Telegram. Now, there are plenty of websites and services out there on Google if you do your own research, which I'm not going to discuss in depth in this particular video for some reason, which I'll make sure to drop also a few links on the description box below. You can check out those websites. You will get the virtual phone numbers, and then you can use that phone number to log in and start using Telegram. You will also get the code on those phone numbers, but they're completely legal, by the way. It's not that they're not legal, they're completely legal. And then there are also paid ones, there are also free ones. On the free ones you get public phone number, on the paid ones you get a private phone number which you can use only for yourself. So depending on what you want, the choice is up to you. You can start using Telegram without a real phone number, but you can't create with email, so you will have to use a virtual phone number. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.